Hello everyone, this is the part 2 and today I'm gonna tell you about pronoun. Okay, I will start from definition of pronoun. What is definition of pronoun? A pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun. Okay, next, types of pronoun. Here, I will explain types of pronouns. There are 7 types of pronoun. The first types is personal pronouns, possessive pronouns, reflexive pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, interrogative pronouns, relative pronouns, and indefinite pronouns. Okay, the first personal of pronouns. Personal of pronouns refer to specific people. Jadi, ini biasanya merujuk pada orang tertentu. Referring to specific people, typically involves using proper nouns. The example is John, Mary, Dr. Smith, and etc. Okay, and then ada possessive of pronouns. Possessive pronouns show ownership or possession. Jadi, ini menunjukkan kepemilikan. Okay, the example is mine. This pen is mine. So, mine is to show ownership. Jadi, mine ini menunjukkan itu bahwasanya kepemilikan punya saya gitu. Okay, the next types of pronouns is reflexive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns are pronouns used when the subject and the object of the sentence. Okay, the next types of pronouns is reflexive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns are pronouns used when the subject and the object of the sentence are the sum of person or thing. The example is I taught myself to play the piano. Okay, the next types is demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns referring to specific people or things. There are 4 use of demonstrative pronouns like this, that, das, and those. So, what use this, that, das, and those? Okay, this is singular and near. Jadi dia itu satu dan dia itu dekat, bisa dipegang. Okay, and then that is singular and far. Dia satu tetapi dia jauh, dia tidak bisa dipegang. And then ada das is plural and near. Jadi dia itu lebih dari satu tetapi dia dekat. And the last is those is plural and far. Dia juga jamak, lebih dari satu tetapi dia jauh, hanya bisa dilihat saja. The example is this, that, das, and those. The example this is my pen. And then that is your house. And then ini dia jamak, das are my book. And then those are birds. Dia jauh gitu. Okay, the next types is interrogative pronoun. Interrogative pronoun are used to ask questions about people, things, or situation. Okay, who asks about a person. The example is who is coming to the birthday party. And then whom, when the person is the object. The example is whom are you talking to? And then what ask about things. Ask about things. The example is what is your favorite color? And the last was ask about ownership. Jadi dia ini kepemilikan. The example is was bag is this? Okay, next, and the next types is relative pronoun. Relative pronoun are used to connect clauses or places to nouns or pronouns like who, whom, was, and which. Okay, the first is who. Who refers to people. The example is the teacher who helped me is on the vacation. And then whom, when the person is the object of the verb. The example is the person whom you met yesterday, my boyfriend. And the next ada was indicates possession. The example is the student was back is Fred is my friend. And the last ada which refers to animals or things. The example is the pen which you borrowed is on the desk. Okay, and the last types of pronoun is indefinite pronoun. Indefinite pronoun refer to people or things that are not specific. And the example for the indefinite pronouns is use something, nobody, and when, and etc. Okay, the example is I want something to eat. Nah, something di sini dia tidak spesifik karena dia membilangkan aku ingin makan sesuatu. Nah, sesuatu ini kita tidak tahu dia mau makan apa, makanya dibilang dia tidak spesifik. Okay, next, function of pronouns. Pronouns have 4 functions. And the first function is replacing pronouns. Pronouns are used to replace people, objects, or things to avoid repetition. The example is, Anna is my friend. She is kind. Okay, and the second function of pronoun is as the subject of a sentence. And the second one function is as the object of a sentence. Pronouns can receive actions. The example is, I met him yesterday. Okay, and the last function of pronouns is indicating ownership. So, pronouns are used to indicate ownership. The example is, this book is mine. Jadi dia itu menunjukkan kepemilikan. Okay, guys, thank you. See you.